Kim Darney. I'm a real estate broker here in Southern California. My husband Chris, behind the camera there, is going to be taking, hi Chris, he's going to be showing a couple of things we're going to point out to you today, and it's going to be lighting. So Chris and I sell a lot of homes. We've been doing this since early 2000, and we want to help you make some decisions that's not going to cost you a lot of money, but that will help you at the end of the day sell your house for more money. So today we're going to talk all about lighting. Chris, let's go over here. Let's point to the chandelier. So if we have a house and we've got lighting that's somewhat dated, if you can replace it, that's amazing. You can go to Lowe's, Home Depot, Lamps Plus, and usually spend under $200 and get something a little bit more current. But if you don't want to put that money into it, see those light bulbs? At least change your light bulbs. Not only will it look a lot better, it will smell better, because believe it or not, that puts off a burning smell. Let's walk into the kitchen, Chris. So I'm going to point out another light. This light is probably working, but the sellers decided not to put in new light bulbs. So it's another thing I want to point out. We should take a look at light bulbs. Let's show you what it looks like when you don't have light bulbs in your light fixtures. We have light fixtures here. See, trying to turn them on and off. Missing light bulbs. Burned out light bulb. And then if we can, just walk right in here into the grand entrance. Take a shot right there if you would, Chris. We have 4 lights that we can see, and they all are different watts and colors. So the tip for this particular video, getting more for your house, try to update your lighting if you can. If you can't, at least make sure every light has a working light bulb. It'll do a lot for first impressions when people walk in.